President owes hundreds of millions. Lenders apply pressure. The founding fathers didn't fight a revolution for America to be run by a guy getting Venmo requests from international banks. That's why the Constitution literally warns against this exact scenario. A president financially compromised is a president who can be pressured, and Trump knows that. That's why he's melting down on Truth Social. He's screaming about conspiracies, claiming banks are out to get him, calling it persecution. But this isn't persecution. This is consequence. Banks don't care about vibes. They care about risk. And fraud is radioactive. Now, here's where it gets brutal. New York's Attorney General is already seizing assets to satisfy the fraud judgment. That means rental income gone, bank accounts intercepted. So even if Trump wanted to pay lenders, New York gets first dibs, which means banks are racing each other like it's a Black Friday sale. Except instead of TVs, it's Trump's remaining assets. That triggers something called cross-default clauses. Translation: miss one payment and suddenly everything explodes. One default becomes all defaults. That's not a problem. That's a cascade failure. And no, bankruptcy doesn't save him. Because bankruptcy plus fraud findings is equal to judge saying, "Sir, absolutely not." Plus, filing bankruptcy while president, that's not a reset. That's a resignation speedrun. Politically, this is devastating. Trump's entire brand is business genius. What happens when banks publicly say, "We don't trust you, pay up"? What happens when Republicans have to defend a president who can't manage his own money? Donors flee. Candidates distance themselves. The base fractures. And Democrats, they don't even need attack ads. They just roll the tape. And remember where this all started. The Supreme Court. Those subpoenas could force Trump's financial records into daylight. Tax returns, loan agreements, foreign entanglements. Once that curtain lifts, there's no unseeing it. This isn't about left versus right anymore. This is about reality versus the myths. And the myth of Trump as a billionaire mastermind, it's cracking loudly. So let's be clear. This isn't a bad news cycle. This isn't spin. This is a financial reckoning. Banks are done, courts are done, and gravity is undefeated. Trump built his empire on inflated numbers. Now the numbers are calling him back with interest, and that is how power collapses. Stay tuned.